What's up guys, in this video I want to talk about how you can book 10 plus calls a day for your SMMA business. Okay, so let me show you the proof. So I've generated this kind of results. You can see all payments in 6 figures. After watching this video you can expect your calendar to be look like this. Okay, you can see, you can just count the appointments over here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so I'm not bluffing. I know. You can see over here also 10 plus calls every single day. So let's talk about this. So how we can get qualified appointments who are dying to buy your services? For that you need two pillars. First is an undeniable offer, and second is trust in your company. First talk about the offer, because it is the most important part in order to get your business. So to build an undeniable offer, you first need to align your offer according to the market trend and selling the market what they want, not what they need. You have to sell them what they want, and in the back end you have to sell them what they need, because you have to give them what they need in order to get them results. Okay, so it is really important. But in order to grab their attention, you need to sell them what they want, not what they need, because they will not understand what they need. They are aware about what they want, aware about what they need after you close them. Okay, in the back end. Got it? Then you have to back your offer with proof. Okay, in this video, if I didn't show you the proof that I actually book appointments, I actually close deals, then you might not watch this video, right? So you need to back your offer with proof. You have to sell an offer that actually work, otherwise you are just scamming people, right? So after that you have risk reversal guarantees. A lot of people just say that the risk reversal guarantees are like, if I don't give you results, you don't pay. Not like that. We have three main pillars in order to build a guarantee, in order to build a risk reversal guarantee. First is an accountability guarantee, second is unconditional guarantee, and third is conditional guarantee. Let's talk about accountability guarantee. Accountability guarantee is basically, you have different steps: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, these are our steps. So you tell your client that you have to follow these steps for the next 3 months, and you'll 100% get the results. Otherwise you don't pay, or otherwise I'll refund. Okay, so this is the accountability guarantee, that client have to follow these steps in order to get the desired results. And unconditional guarantee is basically, there is no condition attached to the agreement or the services. So if they basically don't get the results, they will get the refund. So that is unconditional. There is no condition attached to the services. Next is conditional guarantee. It is basically performance based, like I give you X amount of results and I take Y. Okay, so this is conditional guarantee. So these are the three type of guarantees you can use. You can choose between the guarantee according to what you need for your SMMA, for your niche. Okay, so this is the kind of offer you need. This is how you can build an undeniable offer. Now let's talk about the trust in your company. The trust on your company can only be built by communicating the value to the marketplace. It is really important. If you know that you can solve people's problem, then you have to showcase people that yes, you can actually solve them. Otherwise, how people will know? And the only way to do it is by content. You know that I can solve your problem, you know that I can help you. That's why you're watching this video, because I'm showing you that I'm capable of solving your problem. By the way, if you think I can help you out in order to scale your business, in order to scale your agency, then you can check the link in the description and book a call with me right now. So moving ahead, you need to communicate your value to the marketplace by solving people's problem through content, which is really important. Now let's talk about the acquisition system that you need, that I use basically in order to scale one of my agency from $0 to $15,000 MRR in just 30 days. Okay, this is really juicy. Okay, this is the basic structure. We're going to run ads to a lead form, to a landing page for a consultation call booking and VSL, and we're going to get them into a call. They will be closed or they will be not closed. So this is a linear thing. This is only the funnel part, but the real thing is the automations they will go through, because without this everything fails. Okay, now a lot of people who will click my ad will see my profile, and in the profile I have my content asset, so they will have trust that okay, this guy is an expert in the field. Okay, and a lot of people who are my lead, who submit the lead form, will not book a call with me. I have to nurture them using email with my YouTube videos, plus retargeting WhatsApp marketing messages, SMS marketing messages, and also email, which is important. Plus in performance marketing, I'm going to make a lookalike audience and a custom audience in order to retarget them again and again and again. Now after that, they book a call with me. They are now my appointments. Now they will in between booking a call and coming to the appointments, I'm going to send them reminders and an indoctrination sequence which will make sure that they will get pre-sold before they come into the call. They will get every single information they need in order to get into the call and get closed. Let me show you some of my ad, like how I do this. This is my ad, and this ad, let me show you. I have spent 30,000 in this, and I've generated 238 leads from this single ad. This is the only ad, not any more like video ads or any more image ads. This is the only ad that have generated me 238 leads in just 30,000 ad spend, and we have made around $15,000 from that. So this is the kind of funnel that I use. This is the form, and this is the booking link. They get basically nurtured from the WhatsApp chatbot that we have made, and also they get the automations that I have discussed over here, this one, and the follow-up system, this one. Okay, so everything is structured. So this is how you can generate 10 plus calls every single day in your business. So if you think I can help you out, if you need help in appointment setting through advertisement or streamlining your acquisition system for your agency, then you can again book a call with me. The link is in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much.